friends, in this video I'm going to explain Part Design Workbench, some of the tools in Part Design Workbench. First, this is the interface of the FreeCAD 0.18. I'm going to the file and I'm clicking on the new file. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl+N. I'm clicking the new. After clicking on the new, it will appear like this. I changed the user interface of the FreeCAD. You can check out my previous videos and you can observe the different workbenches are there. You can drag these different types of workbenches. Architectural workbench is there, and the part design, part path, ray tracing, different types of workbenches are available in FreeCAD. This is the free of cost software, and you can observe the part design workbench and click on the part design. After click on the part design, you can observe on the left side start part. It is showing it is going to ready to start the part, and going to the create a body, create a new body and make it active. After that, on the part design, click on the create body. Before that, already explained some of the features: fillet, edge, and select the edges of the face and the draft pick solid. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain some of the pad definition and sketch and revolved sketch and the lofted selected profile sections. In this tutorial I will show you. After that, you can click on the create body, then it will redirect to the create sketch. You can observe the start a body before you want to create a sketch. We should create the sketch to develop a 3D model. I am clicking on the create sketch. You can observe the XY plane, XZ plane and the YZ plane on the left side. You can observe here it is showing only the X plane, XY plane. By selecting on this, it is highlighting, but it is not visible like 3D. You want to convert the planes into 3D. You can observe on the FreeCAD, you can observe on the right side of the top corner, observe the orthographic mode and prescriptive. Before it is an orthographic, then I am converted to the prescriptive. If you selecting the prescriptive mode, you can observe the YZ plane, ZX plane, XY plane. You can observe this, and another option is there, that is isometric view, and the YZ plane, XZ plane and the XY plane. You want to select any of the plane, it is highlighting the green. I think but it is as blue color. You can observe the XY plane. You want to create the body on the which plane, select all this plane by using this reference. You want to create the zoom to fit, it should fit. You can observe the XY plane and click on OK. Then it redirects to the XY plane. You can observe these are the edit controls and the constraints. Already explained how to constrain this. Here I want to explain with some of the example how the tool will work. And I'm clicking on the close. You can observe it disappears. You want to again go into the sketch what you created. You can observe on the left side, go into the model. You can observe you created already the sketch path is created, and click on the body and you can observe the sketch. On double click on the sketch, it will direct to the where you leave the XY plane. And I want to create the one of the rectangle like square with some of the dimension you can observe, and I want to create a line on the axis. You can also go into the orthographic or prescriptive. You can observe this. You can also go into the isometric view. Observe is on the XY plane. One is the line is created and one of the rectangle or box is created. You can see after the sketch is created, go into the close option. After clicking on the close, you can observe the one of the rectangle. Why I created this sketch? Before I want to create this tool, revolve a selected sketch, and select the revolve a sketch object. You can observe is on the y-axis. Where is the line is created on the axis, it is taken as y-axis, and it is on the xy x-axis, it is on the z-axis. Revolve of 360 degrees. Why it is 360 degrees? You can observe on the revolution parameters of the of this tool, and go into the axis. You can observe the vertical section axis, horizontal section axis, base x-axis. It is automatically it is considered as y-axis. Then only it is created. You want to change the, for example, I want to create the x-axis, and you can see I'm selecting the x-axis here. The base x-axis is highlighted. On where the reference of axis you want, you can create like this. And base y-axis I'm creating. You want to decrease or increase the angle up to the 360. For example, I'm giving the 50 degree. You can observe on 50 degree the angle is created, the revolution is created. I want to go to the, for example, 65 degree, and I want to give the 180 degree. And you can observe the on the x-axis it is created. On the x-axis you want to reverse the plane. For example, I want to give it the reverse. Same on the direction, you want to change the direction on the top and the bottom of the opposite position of the axis. You can click on the reverse option. And symmetry to the plane, it is symmetry to the plane. For example, you want to nothing but a parallel option. It is like use as a perpendicular. You want to go into the perpendicular, you can also give this symmetry to the plane. It is called as perpendicular. The reverse is called as parallel or opposite, you can consider. I'm giving the reverse over here, same as like this only on the x-axis what I created, and click on the after the creating the revolution parameters and click on OK. You can observe the revolution is completed. What are the sketches? You want to go into the sketch, double click on it. You want to go into model and close it. Like this, one of the revolution of revolve of a sketch, selected sketch is created by using the sketch. Then after I want to explain with the, you can observe this is a loft a selected profile through other profile sections. I want to go with this tool, how in the FreeCAD it will work. For example, I am selecting the plane. You want to go into the, in this plane you want to create the one of the, select this face on the revolution face and simply go into the tasks. You can observe the create a sketch. Different types of features are there. You can observe the create a sketch. You want to give the fillet to this, you can also give fillet, chamfer of this face. For example, I am selecting this face. You can give the face of different options, like I will explain, and go into the create sketch. On the create sketch, what is the plane is created, on that plane it is selected, and go into the rectangle object and create the one of the sketch of rectangle. See one of the rectangle I created and go into the close. Want to go with the, for example, you want to give the pad to this. You can give the pad of, you can also increase the pad of dimension to 500 or 10 mm or 110 mm. Like this you can create the pad and go into the dimension up to last and up to first, up to face, different up to face. Different types of types are there. Symmetry to the plane, inside it goes to the inside. Want to reverse on that side, you can observe like this. You can create and click on OK. I want to delete this block, for example, that the sketch is remains constant, only the pad definition will disappears. You can see, you can also create by pad definition or using the sketch also you can create. After creating the pad and delete the pad, then profile will appear good. You can observe this pad is created. I want the sketch is created after the pad, and selecting the sketch profile, you can observe on the tasks, fillet, chamfer, create a datum point and create a datum line and create a datum plane. I want to create the offset the plane to somewhat distance. This will help, and create a datum line, datum. You can observe this is the create a datum. You can observe the sketch is created, but it will goes on the opposite side. Then only I created here the pad definition is created. You can observe the pad and select the plane and give them tasks and create a datum plane. See by using the pad, you can observe the plane is created opposite to this, parallel to this, and click on the plane You can observe the plane properties, plane parameters will appear. I want to give the direction of jet to, for example, 200. For example, 100. I'm assigning 200. See, the plane is created somewhat the distance. You can give the different x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. You can also give the pitch. You can also rotate the plane, somewhat tilt angles. You want to give the roll, inertia. The different types of features are there. I will explain later. And click on OK of this. And after the plane not dissipate, you can observe on this plane, select this plane and click on the create sketch. After that, create a sketch. I want to create this some of the small profile here for to loft, and click on the close. I'm deleting this plane and click on S and creating the pad definition. You can observe the pad definition is created. Then after, by using the pad, I created a datum plane and give the sum of the offset distance to this, and the plane is deleted and the pad is deleted. This see, the two remain, the sketches are constant. You can observe it will not disappear, and 1 and the 2 planes are there. I want to create this loft easily. You can observe the loft definition and click on the loft sketch, and sketch 1 is valid and sketch 2 is valid. You can observe the sketch 1 and sketch 2 both are valid, and click on OK. You can observe the I am creating the sketch 1. For example, I create the sketch 1. You can observe the object is created sketch 1. Where is the sketch 2? You can observe this is the sketch 2 object. Parallel to this, select the sketch. For example, I will explain again. This is the sketch 1 and sketch 2, and go on to the loft. Sketch 1, it is highlighting. This is called sketch 1 and sketch 2. First select any of the sketch. I am selecting this sketch 1 and click on OK. None of the rule, surface and the close I'll explain later, and go into the object. This object is already selected. I want to create the another option here. Another option here, you can observe the another object. I'm selecting the add section to this and select the parallel sketch. After selecting the first sketch and the second sketch, you can see the loft is created perfectly. You can observe the loft is created. Want to give the fillet to this. You can also give the radius. You can also give the mirror also. I will show you these three features explain. You can observe. For example, you want to mirror this object. For example, I want to mirror this to create a mirror object. For example, I am selecting this object, create a mirrored feature, and select the mirror feature. You can observe the revolution valid and the additive loft. This is the revolution is the circular block, and the additive loft is the solid block. And I want to give the revolution valid and click on OK. What is the face you want to go to the mirror? For example, I am selecting this face and see that it is straightly mirrored to this, and click on OK. You want to give the base XY plane. I am selecting the base. I will show you again. For example, I am selecting the mirror object, revolution valid, and click on OK. You can observe the different types of planes are there. You can observe the vertical selective axis, base XY plane, YZ plane selective features. You can select these planes here also. You can go here also. I'm selecting this plane and click on OK. And you can observe the face is the total of the 180 degree of the model is mirrored to this other side. It is completely as two objects like this. I want to create this lofted also here to mirror on that side, and go into the again mirror option and go into the revolution valid completed additive loft. What are the features you created? You can highlight the list of the features here in the FreeCAD and additive loft and click on OK. It will take some time, and you can observe the additive loft valid, and you can observe here I want to same on the XY plane. You want to give the different axis, it will go into the different axis. You can see it is coming here like this. You can give the axis of the base XY plane. Here also you can give, and click on OK. You can see by using the loft and the revolve commands, you can create like this of bearings or house bearings. Like this you can create the mechanical components. You can observe the one of the like flywheel, it is created, and you can observe the you want to give the different radius. For example, I am selecting the edge and go into the fillet. You can also create by using the fillet by using selecting the edges. Also by selecting the face also you can create the fillet object. Like this it is created. You can observe like this you can create the different faces of fillet of 10 mm. And again I'm selecting this face and select the face as radius 10 mm, and selecting this face and radius is I'm giving 10 mm, and click on OK, and selecting the radius and go into the fillet of 10 mm and click on OK. If the radius is more, we take it shows the error. What is the possible condition is there? On that possible condition only you can consider the fillet radius to 10 mm or 20 mm, and you can